watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's time to update your house with eye-catching decor ideas for spring, with a special emphasis on your mantel. Explore an abundance of gorgeous spring mantel ideas that suit a range of decorating aesthetics, from rustic to vintage, and from ornate bouquets to subtle minimalism. Are you trying to decide how to spruce up your mantel for spring? This selection of gorgeous spring mantels is sure to please. Mantels come in a variety of styles to fit any type of design, from vintage to farmhouse and flowery to straightforward. Winter and Spring Twig Wreath Decor. A handcrafted twig wreath embellished with white blossoms is a lovely way to integrate seasonal decor elements and transition from winter to spring. Tulip Wreath Focal Point. Create a statement with this exquisite tulip wreath, which pairs well with an antique window frame for depth and endurance. An elegant vintage paper wreath. A vintage paper wreath will add flair to your mantel and radiate elegance and sophistication against a background of white and gray design accessories. Cherry Blossoms and Disco Ball Fusion. Incorporate disco balls, coral hues, and cherry blossoms onto your mantel to create a unique springtime display that exudes colorful energy and a beach vibe. Easy Spring Banner Display. Use old kitchenware and a simple banner to create a nice springtime display. Monochrome elements will draw attention to the peaceful atmosphere. Rustic Old Mantel Beauty. Use old mirrors and subdued hues to add a rustic charm to your mantel and make your room feel brighter and cozier. Dreamy Old Teacups Delight. Combine delicate flowers and floating teacups to create a dreamy display that combines antique highlights and gentle pastel colors to accentuate old characteristics. Vintage Ball Jars Radiance. To give your spring decor personality and charm, adorn your mantel with vintage blue ball jars that showcase an assortment of aqua-tinted glass. Peaceful Rustic Fireplace. Use weathered frames and tattered metal pitchers to evoke a rustic elegance. Add some antique flair and fresh flowers to your stone fireplace to complete the look. Old books, wooden candlesticks, and vintage prints can all help create a sentimental atmosphere around a fireplace. Soft color palettes combined with rustic accents can add a timeless charm. Burlap Boughs Cheer. Add texture and whimsy to your spring decor outfit by adorning your mantel with burlap bows and whimsical bird designs. Airy and light mantel calm. In your bedroom haven, embrace minimalism with a light-filled mantel decorated with modest accents that convey elegance and peace. Tulips in antique glass bottles brilliance. Elevate the beauty of straightforward springtime blooms with a hint of reflection by creating an entrancing arrangement with solitary tulips in vintage bottles. Driftwood elegance. For a tranquil beach atmosphere, add a driftwood candle holder or rustic wood branch to your mantel and complement it with votive candles and lush greenery. Relaxed mantel grace. Use delicate decorations and fern accents to create an understated springtime elegance that highlights delicate themes and natural elements in a laid-back atmosphere. Splendor of a spring flower garland. Create a stunning display of seasonal beauty on your fireplace with a magnificent floral garland that has luscious blooms and eucalyptus leaves. Farmhouse paper doily banner charm. A homemade paper doily banner will adorn your mantel and lend a touch of whimsical charm and vintage elegance to your farmhouse decor. Mantel enchantment with cascading flowers. For a striking visual effect, arrange cascading flowers to hang gracefully from your mantel. Opt for vivid blossoms set against rustic brick. Wow factor of the wagon wheel wreath. A massive wreath made of boxwood and artificial flowers can add a dramatic focal point and enduring seasonal appeal to your mantel. Double Spring Easter Garland Radiance. To add a beautiful springtime cheer and whimsical allure to your mantel, combine 2 garlands with Easter eggs and rustic burlap bunting. These charming spring mantel ideas can help you turn your room into a sanctuary of classic style and seasonal beauty. There is a spring mantel design idea that fit every taste and inclination, whether you want rustic charm, nostalgic nostalgia, or minimalist modernity.